Oh yeah, went to a Kiss concert last night and a little tired this morning, but it was a good show, so it was worth it. We got some Laughing Dragon stuff to make. Woohoo! Always wear protection when working with resin. Devices. I should probably mix this on like a piece of paper or something so I'm not getting it all over the table. Okay. So the resin that we use for the Gauntlets is a 50-50, part 1, part 2 situation.
Good enough for government work.
Always make sure your resin is very mixed. In all of my time mixing resin, which has been like for the past 5 or 6 years, I think I've had one bad mix. Probably should wipe that off. So the point is, the stuff is actually fairly forgiving for the person who is new at casting. Ring here, about 6 or 7 drops of this up. You get a nice even color. Alright, in we go. With this, it's about, I don't know, about 5 or 6 minutes. So for that, I use a large syringe. And if you start to feel it heating up in your hand, that's a good thing, but that's also a good indicator that you better start getting it into the molds because you don't have much longer before it starts to set on you. Fill our syringe up here. I only go about halfway, that way I can do this with one hand. Keeps it manageable. Yep, it's getting kind of thick. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pop the center out of this. The resin will come off of the plastic, no problem, but this rubber stopper on the end of your syringe, you want to wipe that down as quickly as possible so it doesn't mess up the rubber. And then this syringe is reusable. Missed a couple tops, so I'm just going to grab a little bit here. Just dab it across the top. I like there to be a little bead on top of my open molds. The benefit is when I pop these things out later and go to sand it, I'm just sanding off the bead and not sanding the actual finished product. Alright, looks good, if I say so myself. Alright, looks like I got a little mess on my table here. 3D printed Ironman mask. Also, a little bit too small, so I gotta print a bigger one. Pay no attention to my messy shop. Hey, say hi to Mark 50. Yeah, I printed this out. It's a little too small, so that's gonna go up for sale here soon. Oh, this is our printer. Yay! It is a Raise 3D N2 Plus. Pretty cool machine, gotta tell you. Stuff to come. Everybody say hi to Dave.
Deuces.
What up, Dave? What is that?
Morning or afternoon?
Don't aim that thing at me. Is that thing loaded? We need gauntlet fingers, which are these. Pieces for our gauntlets. So we're going to pull these babies over here. And that's pretty much gauntlet fingers. Still in the mold. We've got to demold these puppies. We use, again, Smooth On to make the molds for these. It's a... I think it's a platinum cure silicone, if I remember right. Yeah. Pop these babies out. There you go. That is a piece of one of the finger pieces for the pinky. How about that? Oh, that one is stuck in there. Wow. Okay. Ooh. Pulling out more fingers. Finger pieces, not actual fingers. Last one. Now we mark them up. Okay. All right. Let's pour some more fingers. Tune in next time. We're going to actually be building a Thor suit, and got a lot of the parts already cut out. We're a little bit behind schedule on this, so we're gonna do what we can to crank this baby out and get it ready for paint. So look forward to seeing you. This is Jim with Laughing Dragon Foundries. Keep your glue gun hot and your hopes high.